Students, let us discuss exercise 13.2 fifth sum. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead starts each of which is a sphere of 0.5 centimeter or drop into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. Actually, here we need to find out the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. Actually, here given while dropping the lead shots, 1/4 of the water is flowing outside. Here given that the height of the cone is 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. At the same time, the given is the sphere of radius is 0.5 centimeter. Lead shot radius is 0.5 centimeter. Actually, we need to find out number of lead shots required to flow out 1/4 of the water from the conical vessel. Then how to find out this one? So for this, first we need to find out volume of water spilled from the conical vessel. So already given that is 1/4 of the water. So the water spilled from the conical vessel is equal to volume of lead shots. Actually, how many lead shots we are putting inside the vessel, that much water only coming outside. Okay, so that 1/4 of the volume of water, okay, or 1/4 of the volume of cone is equal to number of the volume of lead shots. So here I am equated these two. So 1/4 of the volume of cone equal to n into 4 by 3 by r cube. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of sphere, and 1/4 of the volume of cone is equal to that we know that number of volume of lead shots. Then substitute the values whatever you know that. Okay, so finally will be get 5 square into 8 equal to n into 16 into 0.5 the whole cube. Okay, so except n, that number remaining all the values transposed to left hand side, so then only we can find out the number of lead shots. Okay, so the number of lead shots is equal to what volume of water spilled divided by volume of dropped lead shots. Okay, so 25 into 8 divided by 16 into 1 by 2 the whole cube. If you simplify it, finally will be get 100. Hence the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel is 100. So here 1/4 of the volume of cone is, we know that the number of volume of dropped lead shots. Students, let's discuss exercise 13.2 sixth sum. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Here actually given a solid iron pole consists of cylinder, okay, that is surmounted another cylinder. So this is one cylinder. That small cylinder is surmounted on that big cylinder. Actually, we need to find out the mass of the pole. Okay, so we know the height of the larger cylinder is 220 centimeter, and height of the smaller cylinder is 60 centimeter, and the radius of the smaller centimeter is 8 centimeter, and the radius of the larger cylinder is 12 centimeter. So the total volume of the pipe is equal to volume of larger cylinder plus volume of smaller cylinder. So volume of larger cylinder pi r square h plus pi r square h. Okay, r1 denoted as the larger cylinder radius, h1 is denoted as larger cylinder height. Okay, here r2, that is smaller cylinder, h2 is also height of the smaller cylinder. Then substitute the values in the given formula. So at finally will be get 1,11,532.8 centimeter square. At the same time, here given one condition, 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Here we need to find out the mass. So we know that how to find out that mass. Okay, mass of 1 lakh 11,532.8 centimeter cube. Iron is 1,11,532.8 into 8 gram. So the mass of iron is 892.262 kg kilogram. Students, let's discuss exercise 13.2 seventh sum. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter, actually here we need to find out the water left in the cylinder. Okay, how to find out how much water left in this cylinder? So for that, first we need to find out this volume of cylinder. Okay, so volume of cylinder minus volume of the solid. Okay, volume of cylinder minus volume of that solid. Okay, the solid, that is combination of cone and hemisphere. So the volume of water left is volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So volume of cylinder, we know that how to find out. So all the values are given, and volume of solid, that volume of that solid is contains cone and hemisphere. So that we need to find out the volume of cone and volume of hemisphere. Okay, sum of volume of cone and hemisphere. So 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so after that substitute all the values in the given formula. Okay, so finally we'll be get the answer as 11,31,428.57 centimeter cube. Okay, so the meter, if we convert centimeter, if we convert it into meter, we need to divide by 1 lakh. Okay, if we divide by 1 lakh, if we divide by 1 lakh, we will get 1.131 meter cube. So the volume of water left is 1.131 meter cube. Students, let's discuss exercise 13.2. Eighth sum. A spherical glass vessel has cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct. Taking the above as the inside measurements and pi equal to 3.14. Height of the cylindrical part is 8 centimeter, and the radius of the cylindrical part is, we know that is 1 centimeter, because here given the diameter. So the radius is 1 centimeter, and the radius of spherical part is 4.2 centimeter, because the diameter is 8.5. So the volume of vessel equal to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So we know the formula for volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is r1, plus pi r2 square into h, that is volume of cylinder. Okay, because the volume of sphere and volume of cylinder has different radius. Then substitute the values in the given formula. So at finally we got the answer as 346.51 centimeter cube. Okay, but the child got the volume of solid is 345 centimeter cube. So the child answer is wrong. The volume of vessel is 346.51 centimeter cube.